Hello everybody and welcome in Fallback Forum. Today we are going to introduce a lesson about how to write good essays, since writing essays has become a very big problem for most of the students. So, the first thing when you want to write an essay, you should read the essay question carefully. You should understand the question, since understanding the question is maybe half of the answer, and at that time you can start writing your ideas in about the topic in short expressions of just keywords. For example, if we have a topic about illiteracy, you can write just words or expressions like these: parents' ignorance, poverty, family problems, remote schools, etc. Then you write an introduction for your essay. This introduction should be general and should include almost all the ingredients that you are going to discuss in the body. Write supporting ideas based on the keywords that you wrote. For example, you wrote parents' ignorance. You should write it in a complete sentence with some explanations. For example, you may write, some parents are ignorant about the importance of literacy. Write short sentences, one idea per sentence, no more than 20 words in a sentence. The longer your essay, the longer your sentences are, the more mistakes that you make. Therefore, you should not write long sentences. Your sentences should be less than 20 words or less, and your ideas should be one idea per sentence. It should not be more or three ideas, in order not to have some ambiguity. Keep your paragraphs short, not more than 5 sentences per paragraph. It is the same thing for this, like the sentences. Your paragraphs should be short. You should not write very long paragraphs, especially if you have 2 or 3 paragraphs in your essay. Of course, apart from the introduction and the conclusion. Organize your ideas in logical way. For example, if you have the topic of illiteracy, you should start about the causes and consequences. You should start with the causes, then you can write the consequences. It cannot be the consequences and the causes. It is almost impossible, because logic says that it should be in this order. Then you can use also linking words to make your essay coherent. The linking words of addition, concession, and other types of linking words add some beauty to your paragraph or to your essay. That's why it is more advisable to use as many as linking words as possible. Write a conclusion to your essay. In the conclusion, you write either the general idea or you write your opinion about the topic. So, and it could be, if it is the general idea, it should be complete. Check your spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Sometimes you may have more time and you can reread your essay, but you can stop. Of course, this is not advisable. You have to reread your spelling, your writings, and check if there are any spelling, grammar, or punctuation mistake. One mistake can or may have big consequences. Read your essay out loud to yourself and make any necessary changes. Sometimes there are some mistakes that cannot be found out except if you read loud. Therefore, it ends up as the contrary to reading silence. You may not discover these mistakes unless if you are reading loud. And in order to have more information, you can visit this website www.fallbackforum.com. forback.net. And thank you very much.